branches. Just take it low and slow for now until you get to the headboard. And you gotta lift up. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Whoa. Oh no, it's gonna be tight.
Not even the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special.
So we got some 16 footers we gotta offload. Look at my shirt, I got dirty. I was picking up a empty skid of concrete. So the reason why I'm gonna record this one is because I already know what's about to happen. And I'm gonna have to lift this lumber up and over the truck. I thought maybe you guys would get a good kick out of it, so it's gonna be kind of sketchy, but I should be able to make it. If not, you could call me Rookie of the Year. If not. Sorry, sunflower seeds are making me cough. I'm gonna get out this guy's way. Ooh. Yep.
That's coming here, right?
Yep.
Do you need anything from me?
Nope.
Okay.
No, sir. I missed that one. So it's a beautiful morning. It's probably like low 70s right now. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys leave a comment down in the comment section what you guys got planned for the weekend. And let me know how your week's been, what you guys been up to. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you select all when you hit that notification bell, so that way you get all the video updates. I'm currently doing 6, almost 7 days a week now, uploading videos for you guys and for your viewing pleasure and entertainment. So don't leave me hanging, please. Alright, so alright, so from here on out, if you guys don't already know, I like to explain to you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and the thoughts that are going on in my head while I'm making some of these deliveries. And I just like to say it as it comes to mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these straps over just so that I can pull these clean off. This is the one I'm dropping off, so Alright, cool. This is gonna be a little bit tight over here. The machine is just as wide as the road, so we'll see how this goes. I just lowered my forks. I'm extending my forks all the way. And since that end is tucked underneath the sandbag, you don't want to lift it up anymore. I'm going to side shift to the right, then lift it up, so that way it doesn't catch. I'm going to tilt back and then pull the forks back. And this is where things get really fun and really interesting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out this car's way. Gotta watch out for these low-hanging power lines. Let this car by real quick. Alright, and here we go. So what I like to look for when I'm doing these deliveries is that there's no low-hanging power lines crossing where I am or where I'm gonna be. This is gonna be kind of tight, so I'm gonna side shift all the way to the right. Might rub these branches. Just take it low and slow for now until you get to the headboard. And you gotta lift up. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Whoa! Oh no! It's gonna be tight. Damn! Alright, let's try this. Let me tilt back a little bit more. There we go. Oh shit! I can't lift anymore. Alright, so now when we get here, we're gonna have to just back up. Then I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way. And then we're gonna do what I call a little flippity-doo-dah. So now this way, because I got a zero turn. Ow! Oh, you see this shit? Now I'm gonna side shift left. I'm all the way left. Now I'm gonna bring it down. Now I'm gonna spin it. Wave to this guy to come on by. And I'm not quite sure where this family wants this. I'm gonna bring it to the right some and then bring it low. That's been another successful delivery. I'm your host, Big Mike. Thank you for checking out my videos. I'm the owner op for Safford Delivery and Transportation, if you don't know. So I'm gonna just take a quick picture of it. And there we go. Now back to the truck. And we're headed off to Rhode Island. And we'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.